than this, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven sent. We need tonight.
Who's back? It's DCS. What is up, people? How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. And the last week's video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was about the 74 Escort RS 1600, guys. The car, which was amazingly cool. The cool rally car with all those aftermarket fog lamps and the tiny little exhaust and all that stuff. So this time I've got is a Hot Wheel. It's not the same without the flame Hot Wheel. It's an Aston Martin DBS, guys. One of the coolest exotic cars I've ever had. And also forgot to mention, it has got 10 on 10 in HW Exotics, which is pretty rare in many cars. You can't see the 10 on 10s every time. So I've just got it in an HW Exotics, so it's a pretty cool car. And today we are gonna unbox that. But before that, time out the last week's quick quiz. So the question was, which Japanese engine is related to a US snack? So it's quite a confusing one, but the answer is really simple. It's the rotary engine of the Mazda, guys. It's actually shaped like a Dorito. So it has come up in many memes and many people tried to answer it their best, but they couldn't. So the first person to actually answer that was Dog Service Dog. Congratulations, buddy. You have just won a random shout out from me. Check his channel out if he does have one. So moving on to today's video, guys. As I'm not conducting the quick quiz for this week, I probably might do it in the next week, so check that out. So yep, guys, let's move on to the cool unboxing of this Aston Martin DBS. Let's go. So yep, guys, here's the part you all have been waiting for, the unboxing, and the car is out of the box. And wow, take a look at it, guys. It's gloss paint. The glitterish black paint on this car is so damn amazing. And it's also got the front headlamps, and the grille quite matches the color because the grille is also black. And yep, guys, the stripe of this car, the center stripe, is so damn cool with the Aston Martin logo. It's so damn cool, guys. And moving on to the sides, the wheels of this car is so damn amazing. Literally, Hot Wheels really did the best thing on this car is the wheels and the paint. And yep, moving to the rear, guys, this car has got the Aston Martin logo, but it misses the tail lamp detailing, but it's got the DBS logo too. And yep, talking about the tiny exhaust which you can't see, I think Hot Wheels had to detail that more. And yep, moving to the interior, guys, it's got that gray interior with the black tinted glass, so it's really nice, but it also misses the side view mirrors, which is kind of a disappointment on this car. But rather than that, it's an amazing cool car. So let's move on to the information, guys. Yep, guys, let's know something about this cool Aston Martin DBS right here. It's the information one, so let's start off with the production. The production actually began in 2008, and yup, it stopped to 2012, which is kind of a sad thing, but this car looks seriously amazing. So moving to the body style, guys, the body style of this car is a two-door coupe. Talking about the engine is actually a 6-liter V12 48 valve, guys. It's an amazing V12 engine. So moving to the transmission you get in two options. It's a 6-speed manual, which I prefer the best, and the 6-speed Touchtronic Auto, which probably many others would prefer. Well, moving to the horsepower, guys, this car packs up to 510 brake horsepower, which is nice. And moving to the length is actually 4,721 nm. And talking about the width is 1,905 nm. And talking about the second best part, that's the 0 to 60 time. This car does its 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds, which is quite close to the supercar range, but it still lacks a bit. Well, moving to the top speed, the best part, this car does its top speed in 191 miles per hour. It's very, very close to the 200 mark, but still lags in 9 miles per hour. Well, Tyan, about the last part, that's the price. Well, if you want this car, this Aston Martin DBS at that time, well, this costed up to 160,000 pounds, guys, which was some money to buy this cool car. Well, as I've ended up the information, it's time for one thing, the special facts, so let's go for it. Okay, it's quite a small one. So, yep, here it tells that the European buyers can even specify sports seats with a carbon fiber shell that helps the car to shred an additional 44 pounds weight, guys. Yup, you guys can select the carbon fiber seats if you want to shred weight and yup, more speed. So yep guys, as I've ended up the special facts too, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you all next week guys with another cool car. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy your weekend, and also hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week guys. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye now.